Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Rare video update today. So I haven't really ever spoken about Rare, but I think it's something that is trending and is getting a lot of attention for so many people, and it's actually raising the hopes of a bull run. So the question really is Rare making or paving the path or giving us a hint that bull run is about to start, or is it just a scam pump? Because there's a word that I use a lot, and that is known as a scam pump. So what is exactly a scam pump? Now, for the past few weeks, you have seen that crypto has been on a downtrend, especially since March and April. Bitcoin has been down ever since halving. Of course, at some point, I do believe that in October things are going to change. So yeah, very soon enough, we may start to see an amazing market once again. September is not good. Historically, it's never good in crypto. But what is Rare really doing? So is Rare going to be a scam pump or not? So what a scam pump really means is that when other coins are literally down the ground, and then you're going to see one or two coins that start to pump, in the market. So these are like manipulated pumps. Okay, they're manipulated. This actually just to get your attention, because 90% of the coins are not moving. So when you see a coin that moves, you tend to remove your money from the coin you are holding for many days, and you want to invest in a coin like this that is actually moving to the upside. Now, I'm not really sure if this is a scam pump or not. Time will tell. But the thing is that I can definitely tell you that on the weekly, we are approaching a resistance point at the moment. So people do tend to become very bullish at the resistance. This is your resistance right now. And it's still going to be that people are going to be very bullish right here. But I will say, be careful. Be very, very careful. And even if we have to confirm that this is not a scam pump, then you really need to cross above this, break above the whole resistance, retest, and then go back, because it is very clear to you that you have been rejected once here and you went down. You rejected there, you went down, you got rejected again, and then you went down, and you could still be rejected here, and you might just end up going down again. So you have to be very careful unless you don't really break above that resistance, which means coming to 0.2486 is going to be one good sign, and then go for the retest, and then you have your entry right over there. And this is going to be for the very first time you have broken above this huge probably accumulation zone. Maybe you are meant to break above, perhaps you are meant to break above. But since September is not a very good month, I really highly doubt if this is going to be the time to break. Maybe sometime after September, maybe if this move was happening in October or November or December, I could have think that this is actually legit. But since it's happening near September, it actually could end up being a scam pump. So be very careful in this situation. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.